Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Jazz Crosstar. Now of course this is the 1.5 self-charging hybrid. It does come with LED headlights, it comes with forefront parking sensors, and it does also have LED fog lights. We then come into the side and we have got the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern you do have on these alloys, but just showing you the rear alloy there. Walking around to the rear now, as you can see it is the 2021 model. We've got 4 parking sensors along the rear bumper just there. We've then also got your reversing camera just up at the top. In the boot of the car we have plenty of room in here. We've got 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with the boot floor. Walking around the car again, just moving into the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, as you can see, we do have the cloth grey with the Isofix mounting points in there as well. On the seat base you do have the white and the black accent on the outer edges. We've got full electric windows all round. We've got keyless entry and keyless start. Inside the car now, as you can see, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. Got your economy mode just there, and then we do also have your eCVT gearbox just here. We've got climate control in the front with your 2 heated seats. We've then got your 10-inch display in the middle, which comes with your satellite navigation. All of your various audio sources just there, and of course your Bluetooth hands-free. We've got a nice bit of additional storage over on the left-hand side, but then moving over to the steering wheel, we have your volume, voice control, track select, and onboard computer. We've then got your speed limiter with your cruise control on the right hand side, along with automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 5,523 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Crosstar, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.